Hello student, let's try to understand time of flight. Right student, how can you calculate the time of flight student? So time of flight of projectile, see here student. So if the particle is moving like that, okay, on hyperbolic path, this is the x, this is the y axis. Now student, here this time student, this is. So this if you want to reach the point A to B, so whatever particle taking the time, this is what is called the time of flight. Time of flight. Right, this is the time of flight. Now student, what we are calculating, up to here we have to calculate, divide into two parts. Suppose this is part, if you can see, this is the C. So at this place when the particle reach student, here velocity will be what student, that is Vy will be 0 student. At this place this will be the Vy will be 0, that you need to keep in mind. The velocity along the y axis will be 0, it is okay. Now up to here the time, how much we can consider student, this is the half t, okay. So t is equal to what we can write student, also we can write t by 2. Small t equal to, we can say t by 2. So this is the capital T is total time, time of flight, total time. So now student, what we can do here, you see please. Dear student, here is the, this is the u sine theta, okay. So uy is equal to u sine theta. So now let us have a look over it. From first equation of motion, from first equation of motion, because it is having the time na and displacement. So what is the v is equal to u plus at. So you can simplify is, this is Vy is equal to Uy plus At. Now, so here you see student, Vy equal to, it is 0 at this place, Vy equal to 0, and T is equal to capital T by 2. So total flight we can say. So Vy equal to 0. This is the u sine theta, plus it will be the acceleration, what will be there, downward here it will be, so that is, this will be minus g, and t will be t by 2. So you can solve this one, u sine theta equal to gt by 2. So gt is equal to 2u sine theta. So t is equal to 2u sine theta by g. So that is one thing we got student. Now what we have to calculate student, we can calculate the maximum height also in the same. Maximum height of projectile, height of projectile. So how to calculate maximum height of projectile student, let's see. So this is what the maximum height of the projectile student, right? This is y, this is the x-axis. Now student, here up to here, if you see up to here, we are considering this is t, or you can say student t by capital T by 2, you can consider also this is the, right. So now what the equation we can, from the second equation, from second equation, so what will be there student, s is equal to ut plus half at square, okay. So this, which direction it is going, on the y axis, so y is equal to uyt plus half, this is the minus g t square. At that place of t is equal to what? T by 2, because half time we are calculating, because here it is written in half time, it is written the maximum height. So what we can do, student? So at the place of y, student, we can displace with the h, it will be u sin theta, student, and t will be capital T by 2 minus half g capital T by 2 square. Now student, here see t is equal to 2u sin theta is there. So let us understand t is equal to 2u sin theta by g. So t by 2 is what, student? T by 2. So half of the value it will be. So 2u sin theta by g, and that will be also half. So this 2 and this 2 will be cancelled out, because we are dividing this also 2. This 2 and this 2, both we are dividing. Here 2, here 2. So this is cancelled out. So t by 2 is equal to what? U sin theta by g. So now this value we are plugging here and this place. So h is equal to u sin theta into u sin theta by g minus 1 by 2, g let it be there, u sin theta by g, that will be square. So h equal to what is there? U square sin square theta by g minus 1 by 2. This is g multiply by u square sin square theta by g square. So what will be there, student? This g square and the cancel out. So h is equal to u square sin square theta by g minus 1 by 2 u square sin square theta by g. This term and this term are common. So h is equal to what? U square sin square theta by g, and in bracket 1 minus 1 by 2. So what will be there, student? H is equal to u square sin square theta by g, and this will be, that is 1 by 2. So h is equal to what will be there? U square sin square theta by g, this will be 2g. So maximum height is what, student? U square sin square theta by 2g. This is u square sin square theta by 2g. This is all about the answer, student. Thank you very much for watching.